So now we've got the forwards, butterfly, angel and bird in backwards and in forwards. So how do we make this become a flow? I really like this. I still use this even though I'm 20 years down the line, still love it. So for example, I'm going to go butterfly, 2, 3 and 4, angel, 2, 3 and 4 and bird, 2, 3 and 4, butterfly, 2, 3 and 4, angel, 2, 3 and 4 and bird, 2, 3 and 4. Now twos. So 1, 2, butterfly, 1, 2, angel, 1, 2, bird, 1, 2, butterfly, 1, 2, angel, 1, 2, bird, 1, 2, butterfly, 1, 2, angel, 1, 2, bird, 1. So it becomes, the whole amount of counts in this is 6 or 8. I'll do it in a minute. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Angel, 1, 2, 3, 4, bird, 1, 2, butterfly, 1, 2, angel, 1, 2, bird, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Backwards. Same, scooping up. A little bit harder. And again, I don't always practice as much in backwards. I really must do more. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Butterfly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Angel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bird. 1, 2, 3, 4. Butterfly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Angel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bird. Twos. 1, 2. Butterfly. 1, 2. Angel. 1, 2. Bird. 1, 2. Butterfly. 1, 2. Angel. 1, 2. Bird. 1, 2. Butterfly. 1, 2. Angel. 1, 2. Bird. Ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see I crash as well. It's really normal. So don't punish yourself if you're having what I call a bad poi day. Just keep going with it. You know, it's designed to show us so much. Putting this together. So we're thinking about our splits again because we know we can do these split turns. So that's how we can put this together into one flow. So it would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, split, turn, gather. You can count here for 3 or 4 to gather. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, split, turn. Rolling if you want, as you like, bring it in. Counts to prepare you ready to go back in. You don't need to take all the beats out to start with. Don't take the beats out to start with. Put as many in as you need to make this move perfected and flowy. It's got to become effortless eventually. We're not even going to be thinking about it. So when this becomes one complete flow, do it from this angle first, it would go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, split, turn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, split, turn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, gather, split, turn, gather, drop, angel, butterfly, bird, sorry. Split, turn back the opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, split, turn, gathering with left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, split, turn, gather. So from this angle, 3, 4, 5, 6, split to the camera, gather with the right, straight into the movement. Here, turn, bring it in, bowing back the opposite direction. Don't know what my feet are doing, but they've got their own little thing going on. Okay, have a go on that one, and then we'll move on to the next section. I'm having a bad boy day.